There are two more platforms which I would like to talk about. One is called Joomla and the second one is called Drupal. Joomla, just like WordPress, it's a free and open source CMS that is very similar to WordPress. It is more advanced and customizable than some other options, but it does have a steeper learning curve. Quite often, to do small things, you need coding skills to make your website effective. On the other side, Drupal is another free and open source CMS that is also very popular, especially for large and complex websites. It does offer a very wide range of modules and customization options, but it can be difficult for beginners to build their websites on and to use it. Drupal also has a very large number of plugins or modules which can be added to its platform for enhancement of functionalities. The design elements for both these platforms are relatively less and limited as compared to WordPress. So have a good day and enjoy yourself.